Well, the things that I use for this project was I did use a 12 by 12 red stepping stone, which is the big stones you see in the video. And then I used the small paver stones. I did get all my material from Home Depot. The white stones are the premium white marble chips. I think I used about 6 or 7 bags from Home Depot. Now to put the small paver stones, I did use a paving sand, and I also used Quikrete underneath just to make it to stick. So this is when I did put the Quikrete. I'll go ahead and level it. I had to measure in between the 12 by 12 pavement blocks and the small ones to make sure that I had equal dimension. I used the wood to do that, and then I had to heat the small pavement so it can stick in and be straight. This is the product of the 12 by 12 stepping stones and the small pavers without adding the premium white marble chips yet. This is the final product. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Also turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.